It is made of nylon material, which has the characteristics of softness, abrasion resistance and chemical resistance. Nylon polishing wheels provide an even finish for a smooth, shiny surface and remove small scratches, oxides or stains. Nylon polishing wheels are widely used in various industries, such as metalworking, woodworking, furniture manufacturing, auto repair, jewelry processing, etc. It can be used for polishing or finishing the surface of different materials such as metal products, wood products, plastic products, glass products, etc. When using nylon polishing wheels, it is necessary to select the appropriate wheel type, hardness and polishing agent according to the specific material and polishing requirements. At the same time, pay attention to safe operation, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, and avoid splashing or chipping of the polishing wheel during use.